Welcome back, guys. So let's jump right into it since there's a whole lot that we need to cover today. So I started off with the template that I initially made, and I was going to try to modify it just a little bit because I wanted to be able to put the custom bends into a new piece so that way it would hold its shape a little bit better as I started to figure out the actual size pieces and what I was putting together. One of the things I like to use is RAM board. You can purchase it at like a Lowe's, Home Depot. It's basically like a flooring cardboard, but it's extremely tough and durable, and it's thicker than regular like cardboard that you'd pick up for packing in boxes, so it holds its shape. You can even use it in the metal bender to actually make your bends to the degree that you want, and it'll hold shape. So for this one, I started off looking at my original template, got an idea of how I needed to change or modify the new one, and then decided, all right, let's go ahead and cut the new piece so that way I can figure out how that's actually going to work. All right, so once I was able to cut out the new template and get the bends in the correct place on where I wanted them to go, I checked it all out, made sure it fit on the firewall, and it's time to actually move over to some sheet metal and start doing some cutting. So I laid it out, went ahead and measured everything correctly, traced it out to make sure it all was going to be in the proper shape that I needed to, and then also took this a step to mark the spots on where exactly I would want the bends, but leave a little bit of excess so that way, just in case if I have my gaps a little bit off, I've got a little bit of room to shave down the metal and make it fit just a little bit tighter, simply because I'm going from a cardboard to metal, and sometimes cardboard will give a little bit more than actual metal. Once I got the piece cut out, I had to take a moment, sit down, and think all the steps through, since I planned on doing a bead roll to the main firewall piece and then bend the metal after the fact. I didn't want to get stuck in the same problem I had earlier when I was trying, which is where I made some of the bends and it barely fit through the bead roller. I knew this piece wouldn't. So at this point, I went ahead and got the bead rolling done and started fitting everything. So let's get to some actual work now.
inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time.
Alright guys, I think I'm going to end it here. Firewall pieces are all in, they're all fitted, all tightly seamed, so next video will be welding it all up, making it all sealed, and then we can start prepping the engine for paint and final assembly. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, see you on the next video.